Alrighty folks, today we're going to cook some wild boar from a wild hog I shot the other day. It's going to be delicious. First I'm going to dice up some vegetables to cook with the boar. Here's the front shoulder cut I'm going to be cooking today. I'm going to roast it. It's been marinating in salt and vinegar for 2 days, and I'm going to put this award-winning grub rub, and it's from Katy, Texas. Gordon Specialty Foods. Pretty good stuff. Since this is a wild hog, I'm going to cook it pretty thoroughly, 300 degrees. If it was domestic, I'd probably cook it at 250, but let's go a little hotter. Planning on cooking this an hour and a half at 300. Here's the seasoned meat. I'm going to add 1 cup of water to my cast iron pan with vegetables. Got the meat in the middle there so it'll cook and season all the vegetables more. I'm going to add a little more seasoning now too. I'm going to drizzle a little of this barbecue sauce. Let's see, there we go. Bloop, bloop, bloop. Here's an interesting map of language distributions from the late 1800s. It's in German. Fairly interesting. And sprinkle a little black pepper around. Alrighty, I think we got it all seasoned. Now I'm going to cover this all in foil so it'll be ready to roast in the oven. Got it all foiled up. Okay, it's going in the oven, and I'm going to cook it an hour and a half. Let's see, hold on, let me do my math. 90 minutes. There. Okay, it's been cooking an hour and a half. Ooh, ouch, that was really hot. Ooh, looks really good. Look at that. I think I'm gonna up the temperature a little bit and cook it just a little longer, and kind of get a little crust on this, but looking pretty good, smelling pretty good, pretty excited. So I'm going to cook it for 10 minutes at 375. Then I'll probably do a short little broil at the end of that, and then it'll be time to let it sit, and then time to eat high off the hog. This is a member of the species Felis catus that I found in my house. Not sure what it's doing here, but seems to be pretty peaceful. Here's a llama hanging out. Alrighty, cooking away. Let's pull it out. Let's do just a brief little broil action. I'm just going to broil 30 seconds. Okay, it's been broiling, so turn off that, and time to pull it out. Looks pretty well cooked. I'm going to let it sit for a little bit. I think we're done. Alrighty, got it all plated up. Just letting it sit a little bit, and then I'll have a bite or two. Got some of this gravy. It's really good. It's not really that different than your domestic pork. Maybe a hair more flavorful. but in a good way. But very good all in all. Can't wait to get more. Let's try these vegetables too. I just put squash and jalapeno. I soaked up the gravy really good. Anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this roast wild boar video.